Today in this video, I'll explain Macy's return policy. We'll discuss returning items with or without a receipt, whether you can return items without tags, and what happens if you try to return items after 30 days. Let's dive in. General Macy's return policy. Macy's wants you to love your purchase. But if you're not satisfied, here's what you need to know. Most items can be returned within 30 days of purchase. Returns are accepted both in-store and by mail. Macy's return fees. In-store returns, free for everyone. Mail returns, free for Star Rewards members. For non-members, a $9.99 return shipping fee plus tax, if applicable, is deducted from your refund. To become a Macy's Star Rewards member, check the link in the description. Macy's return conditions. Items must be in original, sellable condition with tags attached. Shipping and delivery fees are non-refundable. Cosmetics and fragrances. New or gently used items can be returned if they don't meet your needs. Macy's returns with or without a receipt. Macy's reserves the right to limit returns or exchanges with or without a valid receipt. To avoid issues, always keep your receipt or order confirmation handy. Macy's holiday return policy. For purchases made during the holiday season, items bought from 7th October 2024 to 31st December 2024 can be returned until 31st January 2025. This extended return window makes holiday shopping stress-free. Macy's gift registry returns. If the item was purchased before the event date, it can be returned or exchanged within 90 days from the event date with a receipt. If the item was purchased after the event date, it can be returned or exchanged within 90 days from the purchase date with a receipt. Macy's Buy One Get One BOGO returns. When returning items from a Buy One Get One offer, the refund amount is adjusted based on the discount applied. For Buy One, Get One free, the discount is divided across both items. For Buy One, Get One 50% off, the refund reflects the proportional discount applied. Check the description for examples to better understand how refunds work for BOGO deals. Macy's returning without tags or after 30 days. Without tags, Macy's requires original tags for returns. Without tags, your return may not be accepted. After 30 days, returns after the 30-day window are not eligible for refunds or exchanges, so make sure to act on time. That's everything about Macy's return policy. Remember, following these guidelines ensures a smooth return process. If you have more questions, drop them in the comments below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful updates. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.